In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Meet recording in Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Admin Console to turn Google Meet on so that recording is available to eligible users in your organization. First, open your browser and sign in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has sufficient administrator privileges. If you're using a delegated admin role, make sure it includes access to Manage Google Meet settings. Once you're in the console home, we'll navigate to the right place. From the home page, select Apps. This is where all of your organization's Google services are managed. Next, choose Google Workspace to see the core apps that come with your subscription. In this list, click Google Meet. This area controls whether the Meet service is available to your users, which is a prerequisite for the recording feature to appear. Inside Google Meet settings, go to Service Status. Here, you decide whether the service is available to your users. To make recording available to everyone who has the proper license, choose On for everyone. Turning the service on ensures your users can access Meet, and for additions that include recording, they'll see the record option in calls. If you need to suspend access to Meet and disable recording across the board, you can choose Off for everyone. This is useful during audits or when you're standardizing policy. After selecting the option that fits your policy, click Save. Changes can take a little time to propagate across your organization, so give it a short window before testing. It's a good idea to have a test account ready to confirm that the Record button appears in a Google Meet session once these settings take effect. A few quick tips to ensure a smooth rollout. Recording is available only on specific Google Workspace editions, and recordings saved to Google Drive, so make sure users have the correct licenses and adequate storage. If you plan to allow recording for some teams but not others, you can manage this by organizational unit or group targeting within admin, applying different settings to each. Just keep your structure and compliance needs in mind. Also, communicate the change to your users, including where recordings are stored and your retention expectations. That's it. You've navigated to the admin console, opened apps, selected Google Workspace, chosen Google Meet, set the service status to on or off for everyone, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and be sure to test with a user account to confirm recording is available.